welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create dynamic Excel tables with the new PivotBy function. You see, the PivotBy function allows you to group, combine, sort, and filter data based on the row and column fields that you specify. It is now available to most Microsoft 365 subscribers. It is much easier to use than traditional pivot tables. It produces outputs similar to pivot tables, but without the need for manually refreshing or dragging and dropping options. Let's take a look at an example. Here, we have a table that lists a product, its category, a month associated with the product, and the price. Now, let's create a dynamic table to summarize the amount of fruit and vegetables sold at what cost during certain months. To do so, click on an empty cell and type $PivotBy. Now select the category, comma, then select the month, comma, and finally the price. Put another comma and click sum. Close the parentheses, now press enter. And there you have it. Whenever you adjust the price on the original table, it reflects on your dynamic table. The calculations get adjusted. Cool, right? Yes, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon.